Hi guys, and welcome to the Product Village. My name is Nathan Flo Rocker. Today we are going to be looking at yet another fantastic flashlight from the company called Wuben. If you haven't watched my review of the Wuben X4, you can use the link above and watch it. You will love that light. It's not only small, but very powerful. It travels a long distance. It's one of those lights you want to have in your bag or in your pocket when you're camping or when you're just taking a long trip and you don't want to exhaust all the battery juice from your phone, all right? Now, today we're going to be looking at the Wuben E8. This is another flashlight, like I said, but this one is a bit unique. Now, Wuben actually partnered with Naisi to make this light. Now, Naisi is a company that makes fidget toys and high-quality tactile tools. So you can imagine how interesting this is going to be. All right, guys, let's unbox and let me show you guys what's in the box. In the box of the Wuben E8, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, we have a strap, we have a D-ring screw for attaching the light, and then we have the E8 itself. We also have a set of spare rings. We have the manual for the E8. We have the rechargeable USB-C battery, and then we have two sets of shells, yellow shells and white shells. The Wuben E8 has a maximum brightness of 1,300 lumens, while it has a 500 lumens for the side light. You get a 5,000 Kelvin neutral light, also with a 2-watt UV lighting, which is good for gemstone inspection and currency verification. The E8 is also waterproof. On a full charge, you get 36 hours of use. The E8 is made up of titanium, making it very strong, and it has a hands-free design. The Wuben E8 flashlight also has a modular design, which makes it very easy for you to mix, match, and customize magnetic snap-on panels for personal lighting setups. Weighing only 90 grams, this pocket flashlight is compact, lightweight, and designed to fit perfectly in your bag or pocket for daily use. Now, having a look at the body of the E8 itself, the design is pretty unique. It's almost the same size as the X4. Now, on the body here, you have these shells here. You have 1, 2, 3, and they are actually held down by a magnet. So yanking them off is actually pretty easy, and you can swap them. I mean, Wuben has tons of other panels online. So if I want to swap them with these white ones, they stick very easily. I like this design here. With this, it's easier. It's actually pretty strong. It's easy to actually just snap onto your cloth or your bag. So right here, you have 3 lights. You have one for the UV, your 2 watts, and then you have the one that carries the 1,300 lumens. Those are the ones that have the yellow, sort of like dots on top right there. Now, the battery is actually located inside. Now, to do that, to get it out, you have to unscrew this. One of the things I really love about Wuben is the fact that they provide this USB-C chargeable batteries. That it just makes your life like twice as easy. I mean, look at what powers this thing. It's actually pretty small. Unlike the X4. Now, with the X4, you could actually charge it using a USB-C slot on the body, but with the E8 you can't do that. You have to charge the battery itself. Now, powering this on is actually pretty simple, though when I first started using it, I got confused, right? Okay, so the light comes on in like 3 levels, right? It's sort of like light, medium, and very bright. Now, the very first one is sort of like low, right? And then the second one, you have to double click. It gets a bit brighter. And then the last one, you double click again. It's way bright. I mean, honestly speaking, I think the only way I can show you how bright this thing is would be to take it outside and, experiment so you guys have a look. Now, the video you're looking at right now is me shooting at night, right? So this is the level 1. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you shoot at level 2. And then at level 3, this is how bright it is. Now, you can actually see how bright it is because right now I'm flying my drone, so you can actually see the distance of the light. It actually travels pretty far. I mean, I would never have expected a light this small. And that's one thing I love about Wuben. To light up the lights on the side, I watched some guys' videos and they're like, oh, you have to click it like 4 times before you can swap to this light. Well, I had to do mine 8 times. I don't know why mine is 8. So if I click on it once, I have one level. So this is the first level, right? Not so bright, but good enough to work sort of like a lantern. So you can like drop it down, switch off the entire light, and then see how well it works. And then to move to the second level, you double click. Okay, good. So after double clicking, you get to the second level. And then to get to the highest level, you double click again. There you have it. So you have it in 3 levels, right? This is level 3, you have level 2, and you have level 1. And then to engage the one for the UV, the 2-watt UV, you have to do exactly the same thing and, reset it all over again. Okay, so there you have it. You have this blue light, and that's it. This doesn't come in levels. You just put this on, and then you can actually scan your money to see if it's fake or not. Okay, so right now I have 500 Naira. This is Nigerian currency, right? And what I would love to do right now is actually to see if the UV ray really works. Sometimes they tell you stuff and it doesn't pan out the way they say it is. I trust Wuben, right? So let's give this a try. Now, usually with a UV ray, you would be able to see information that is hidden to the human eye, except you have that UV light. So here we go. Whoa. Now look at that. I would never have known. Oh my goodness. Look at that huge 500 there. And you have another one here. And you have another one here. And then you have all these little dots. Let's flip it to the other side. Oh wow, look at that. I would never have known that all this info was available on the Naira. What? This is so dope and handy. I mean, obviously I'm going to be taking this light everywhere. I do love the X4, but I think because of the extra, features of this, I think I'm going to be taking this about. I think I should get myself one more likewise. Wow, interesting. Dope. Now, in terms of pricing, it comes to $60 as at today. So if you want to get yourself one of these, I think the price was slightly higher. Maybe it was like $80 or thereabout. But right now, it goes for $60. So you can grab yourself one of these things. I mean, this thing is powerful. Where you actually see how it works outside in the dark. It does a fantastic job. And I also love the fact that, you can actually use it almost like a lantern-ish. You sort of just, set it on the table. Once again, I want to say a huge shout out to Wuben for sending me the E8. I really do love this light. I'm just looking forward to the future to imagine the kind of lights that Wuben is going to be making. All right, guys, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. All right, ciao.